Introduction. The insurance industry is a part of the largest financial service industry, which include banks, brokerages, mutual funds, credit unions, trust companies, pension funds, and similar organizations. Insurance is a promise of reimbursement in the case of loss paid to people or companies so concerned about assets and their have made prepayments to a policy. The insured is a person whose interests are protected by an insurance policy, and a person who contracts for an insurance policy that indemnifies the person against loss of properties or life or health and etc. The insurance industry was brought under the supervision of Bank Negara Malaysia in 1988. The close supervision of the solvency and market conduct and strengthened regulatory framework enforced in the 1990s were aimed to enhance the professional standards in the industry and consumer confidence.
In general, life and health insurance provide a death benefit and coverage for sickness and injury. Term life policies provide protection over a specific period of time and then accrue equity. Whole life policies provide long-term financial protection. They typically build equity that pays cash benefits and therefore usually have higher premium than term life policies. Health insurance policies can be divided into fee-for-service, managed care, and long-term care. The three types of policies cover a wide range of medical, surgical, and hospital expenses. Many policies also cover prescription drugs and offer some dental coverage. General insurance comprises insurance for property against fire and burglary. Most general insurance cover are annual contract. However, there are a few products that are long-term. Property and casualty insurance providers perform an essential function in today's economy by covering losses from disaster, accident, and lawsuit. Property casualty insurers protect policyholders from property damage and liability, providing the means for victims to resume their life and businesses and continue contributing to the economy. Specialty insurance focus more closely on helping policyholders preserve their financial interests and provide coverage for any risk the insurer is willing to take. Specialty policy types include surety bonds to ensure the trustworthiness of contractors. The insurer providing the surety bond voucher for the trustworthiness of contractor by putting its money on the line. Mortgage insurance is also available that assists financiers from protected default. Reinsurance protects insurer from catastrophic losses. Reinsurance is the insurance for insurance company. Reinsurance policies provide benefits that enable insurer to recover capital quickly, limit losses, and stabilize cash flow after disaster strike. As such, risk is shared by both the insurer and the reinsurer, decreasing the likelihood of insurer bankruptcy in the face of catastrophe.
Hello, I'm Sharmila. Next, I'm going to talk about challenges of insurance industry in Malaysia. First of all is competition. Because there are so many insurance companies on the market today, insurers face a significant difficulty. Each organization seeks the most effective strategy to offer its insurance products to a certain set of people. Most insurance firms, particularly new ones, are the most skeptical. In reality, most consumers trust existing insurance firms more than few business because new business run on a razor-thin line between failure and success, and no one wants to take such chances with their limited financial resources. Second is lack of trust. This is one of the reasons why many people refuse to get insurance. Many insurance companies fail to pay claims and refuse to admit to providing some benefits. As a result, most individuals consider insurance to be an unnecessary cost. Many insurance companies go out of business due to financial difficulties, and those who are the victims of a loss don't hesitate to get insurance policies. The third is mismanagement. As the owner of an insurance company, you are fully liable for all complaints that your clients may have with the company's management. All mismanaged insurance companies can't disguise their flaws for long without their clients knowing. As time passes, the number of clients' complaints will continue to rise, and if his or her insurance business is not honest, he or she will lose more consumers. In addition, poor management can cost the firm a lot of money, especially if there is a lack of contact with clients. Next, we are going to look at manpower shortages. Many insurance firms are now operated by non-professionals. In reality, many individuals believe that all an insurance expert is need a basic understanding of financial studies and non-specific training. Indeed, this had a significant impact on the reliability and operations of insurance companies in the 21st century. Next is instability in the economy. When the economy of a country suffers, all insurance business suffer. In such cases, rates may be influenced and insurance firms may be forced to raise their rates, like how interest rates on credit facilities offered by financial institutions are affected. Of course, no client will enjoy this, even if the insurance premiums may alter from time to time as mentioned in the contract. As a result, such occurrences may harm a company's reputation since customers may quickly share information about a service with which they are unhappy. The final challenge is the insurance industry has become too political. Without a doubt, politics play a considerable influence in the operations of insurance businesses, depending on the play and calculations that are prominent in the insurance firm's working areas. The premium to be paid, the results of a risk investigation, and the damages and benefits to be paid are all occasionally influenced by political schemes.
Hi, my name is Nazia binti Shadi. My metric number is T2020-109-2727. Today I want to share about the types of insurance. There are at least 5 types of insurance that you can get in Malaysia. They come with various benefits, monthly or annual premium, policies and term put in place, meaning that they are not all equal, even if they fall under the same types because different companies offer different benefits. That's quite a selection to choose from. Whichever insurance company or Takaful operator you to choose, the type of insurance policies and product you also pick matters. To prevent you from purchasing the wrong one, let's find out more about the 5 types of insurance that are available in Malaysia. The first one is health and medical insurance. Health insurance and life insurance are not the same. Health insurance help in case of an emergency where you get hospitalized, requiring proper medical treatment or recovery. You can either option for a medical card or critical illness coverage, or even both if you think you need them. A medical card covers medical costs that you may otherwise be unable to afford to pay. At the same time, critical illness coverage gives you financial security if your medical treatment fees are exorbitant. The second is life insurance. Life insurance is financial protection against unfortunate events such as sudden death, total permanent disabilities, critical illness or terminal illness. For life insurance, you can either option for term life insurance or whole life insurance. Term life insurance is financial protection for your family in case the unexpected happen to you. If you die or facing total permanent disabilities, critical illness or terminal illness, cash benefit will usually be paid out in lump sum of your beneficiaries. Meanwhile, whole life insurance provides a stable lifelong protection where your beneficiaries will receive a lump sum payment in your demise of when you affiliate with a total permanent disabilities. Third, Property insurance. Property insurance, also known as general insurance. Property insurance cover your personal asset like your house. There are three kinds of policies for home insurance, which is householder policies, homeowner policies, and fire policies, which each provide coverage for the damage or loss of your house. They not one size fits all kind of policies, as coverage depends on what kind of curse lead to the loss and damage of your house. Fourth, protection insurance. Personal insurance, personal incident insurance, and travel insurance fall into this type. Incident could occur anytime to anyone. In case your demise, disabilities, or injured, rest assured that you and your loved one will be compensated lump sum. Meanwhile, your happy moment could also turn into worst nightmare. When it comes to traveling, there are always be risks involved, such as accident death, total permanent disabilities, accident or illness that require totally costly treatments, retention or evasion for medical emergencies, and invoices like flight delays or lost luggage. Travel insurance could protect you from these risks. Lastly, motor insurance. Third-party liabilities motor insurance, or short third-party liabilities, are mandatory in Malaysia. This is good because if you drive your car or motorcycle and injure someone by incident, the insurance company will pay for you. You don't need to worry, and the other parties does not to worry about that you cannot pay, because the insurance company will take care of it. In addition, you can buy thief, fire, or your own damage protection that will protect the value of your car in case any of this event happen. Most of the time, we buy comprehensive insurance for this, because even if the accident is our own fault, the insurance company will step in and pay for the repair costs. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Malisa Diana. My matric number is D2020109269. I will talk about examples of insurance companies. Making a decision on which insurance company to use might be challenging because you will be making a long-term investment. So this is a list of the top 5 insurance companies in Malaysia. First, Alliance Malaysia Berhad. Alliance Malaysia Berhad is a conventional insurance company that has both general and life insurance products. The general insurance product is through Alliance General Insurance Malaysia Berhad, while the life insurance product is through Alliance Life Insurance Malaysia Berhad. Alliance Malaysia is part of Alliance Group in Germany, and the name is known for being one of the best insurance providers throughout the globe. Second, Zurich Insurance Malaysia. Zurich is another well-known company that is providing general and life insurance protection in Malaysia. The company is part of the Zurich Insurance Group that operates globally and is well known for being one of the best insurance companies in the world. You definitely can rely on the product offered by Zurich Insurance for the well-being and peace of mind of you and your family. Third, Great Eastern Malaysia. Great Eastern is a reliable insurance company that you can go to for the best insurance protection. They offer both general insurance and life insurance products and operate in Malaysia through two main entities, Great Eastern Life Assurance Malaysia Berhad and Great Eastern General Insurance Malaysia Berhad. Fourth, American International Assurance AIA BHD. AIA BHD is a leading insurer in Malaysia, where they have been privileged to do business since 1948. AIA has a very good reputation in terms of international standard life and medical insurance products. The last one, Liability Insurance Malaysia Berhad. At Liability Insurance, they maintain the strong belief that progress happens when people feel secure. With over 43 years of experience in providing comprehensive insurance solutions to Malaysia, Liability Insurance is a name you can truly depend on. That's all from me. Thank you.
Conclusion. Despite this, Malaysia insurance business is rather tiny by worldwide standards. With expert economic development, however, a considerable percentage of population will attain per capita income levels that will greatly raise demand for risk and saving type goods. Insurance capacity to retain competitive positions both within the industry and across the financial sector in the face of new difficulties and changing financially and economic climate will determine whether the domestic insurance business can grab a portion of this growth. That's all. Thank you.